pins on the carbon fiber hood. Do I want to do it?
No.
Do I have to do it?
Yes.
Is it a very expensive mistake if I mess up?
Extremely.
Do I need to say more? Let's get it. Alright, so let me show you guys what I'm dealing with. The hinges here, which I suspect that it's messed up, so that's why. I have to make sure that these things are not collapsing, because if there is, and I put it on there, then if I put new hinges, it won't align. That'll be an expensive mistake and a dumb mistake. And after I put these hinges on, then I put the hood pins on the car. Now, I'm not looking forward to it, like I said, but it must be done. Let's get it. Decided to go with here because it already has a hole here and this side already has a hole, so I decided to put it there. I'm gonna make this hole bigger, so from here to here is 5 inches, and then if I measure from here to here, it's also 5 inches. So both holes are drilled already. There's no turning back. It looks pretty good. Right in the center. Now I'll have to adjust the height of the nut right here thingy. Tighten it up, and that's it. It's gonna take a minute to adjust all this because I have to adjust it to click and to latch. So I have to take my time. So it's gonna take a while. So I'm gonna do that off camera and then show you guys the final result. These hood pins, how they came out, please give a like in this video. This was definitely terrifying. Please give me a thumbs up for the bravery, at least, you know what I'm saying? At least I tried my best, you know. Thank God this is over. That's it. The hood is secure. Now I can go highways, whatever. So till next time, guys, God bless. Stay prayed up. Peace.